everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make a pumpkin out of an aluminum can. So I grabbed a old aluminum can. It's just the size of like a Campbell soup can. A sock from Dollar Tree. It's a pair of socks. Some raffia. Some black twist paper. Some Spanish moss and some orange chalk paint. The first thing I'm going to do is paint my can with the orange chalk paint. So I have that all painted. I'm going to take the sock and I'm going to pull it up over the can, and I'm going to put the opening to the can inside of the sock. I'm going to pull it up as far as it will go, and then I'm going to cut off the excess and hot glue that inside the can. And you can add a small amount of hot glue to the top of the sock to make sure that doesn't pull down. Then I took some of my twist paper and I untwisted a little bit of the bottom of it to have a base to glue the stem on. So I'm just going to glue that to the center. And then I added some Spanish moss around that. And then I'm going to add a raffia bow. And that is it. This project is finished. It turned out super cute. This was super, super easy. This would be actually a great project for kids to do. And how adorable is that? And super, super easy. This would look really cute on a tiered tray if you wanted to. This could be great for a group craft project. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to spread the chaos.